Alright everybody, what's going on? We're fixing to play a triple threat match. Fixing to do a random hard. Seagull Stacks Hard. Here we go. Well, I tell you, it's a good thing we practiced this last night, ain't it?
Yeah. Welcome to the game, Mom. Let's see if it paid off.
Yeah.
Nope. Not good enough. Yep.
Thank you.
Good putt, Steve.
Thank you. I just need you to miss it now, Dave.
All right.
Oh, don't be too hard. Nobody fell in the sand.
That's unusual, huh?
Yeah.
Well, it'd be kind of hard to fall in the sand with all this snow.
Yeah. Well, I guess that is snow, isn't it?
I'm just joshing you, Steve. No.
I think
That's
you
not
can
a good
still
hit.
get up as long as you're on the light part. Oh, shoot. That's a tough shot.
Man. I know,
Yeah,
it's so nice when it works.
Yeah. Oh no! Stop! Don't you fall off! Ooh! Look at that ball. That
That's a
thing
close
is
one, Steve.
hanging. I didn't think I hit it that hard.
Look at that. I didn't think that was going to go.
Yeah, I think as long as you're not on the dark part, it'll go up.
Good putt.
Thank you. Oh, good putt.
Nice. Thank you. Oh no. Put pressure on me like that. Yeah, so now you still get the pressure, but you put that on yourself.
Good shot.
Good player, Steve. Thank you.
Oh, missed. All right, here we go. Everybody's favorite hole. Get up there. That might have been a pretty decent shot. Oh, there it is. No pressure, Dave. You need to make
Good job.
it.
Thanks.
Oh, he got 2 points on that hole, too.
That's right.
Yeah. Don't go down. Don't go down.
I really like this hole right here.
Yeah, you do now, huh?
Mm-hmm. Don't do it. Oh.
All right, it is 0-2-0.
All right, I'm not going to keep playing that one. Oh, boy. Oh,
That's a good shot.
thank you.
Don't roll too much. Dang it. Nah, a little too far. Oh, look at that shot.
Oh, not bad. Come on, back around there. Come on. Give me a
Not
shot.
quite.
You got one.
Got a line. Oh, not enough.
Get out there. Oh, shucks.
That's it.
Yes.
Shot.
Thank you. Good shot. Thank you.
Oh, no. Pushed it. Dang it.
That wasn't a good bounce.
All right. He's up 3.
Uh-oh.
Oh, my gosh. gonna be one of them games. Is that it? Oh.
Oh, it went out. Thought for sure I had a shot there.
Oh, that thing can move it just a little.
Yeah, we can't mess up this one, Steve.
There you go.
There it is. It helps when you hit the little ramp right there, don't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
You got us on that one, didn't you, Steve?
Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah, for sure.
130.
I'm playing one of my favorite courses and doing bad. All right. Let's move on. Good shot.
Thank you.
Oh, should I try that shot on that?
Good shot.
Thank you. It's not bad.
No, I accidentally hit that wall down there.
Oh, that's a good spot.
Well, that next one's going in.
Oh, ball. That's not bad.
I figured you might go for it and try to pop it over there.
Well, it hasn't been working for me lately. I need to practice some more.
Oh, wow. Well, I got a line.
Oh, I had it.
That was it.
There it was. In and out.
Steve, if you'll miss that one.
Yeah. Pulled it. I knew it when I hit it. It was going that left. Oh, and Dave don't have. Yeah, he's got a shot. He pulled it too.
I had plenty of room. I thought it was closer.
I appreciate that, fellas.
4-0. We're 1-4.
1-4-0.
We're 1-4-0.
We're getting smoked.
He's beating up on us.
There it is.
Very nice.
Oh, man. I didn't hit it hard enough. Dang it. Well, I tell you, I just hadn't been... I didn't play good in the first game. Not playing good this game either. There it is.
That's a good shot.
Yep.
Thank you. It's not a line to the hole, but
Oh,
very nice, Charles.
shot is always harder than you think.
Yeah, it means the power. It is a little bit harder.
Yeah.
Good try, Steve.
Didn't stay in.
Nice shot.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. I guess I'm hit in the right spot.
Dave finds himself on the board. You know what that means now, guys. I'm warmed up.
Is that him? Get back. Get back over.
You try this shot one more time.
Try mine again.
Just don't want to go. All right. Good point, Dave.
Thank you.
Oh, come on. Let me see. Do I have a line to the hole? No, I'm on for it. Oh, I stroke limited anyway. All right, 141.
Good shot.
Trying to get them 2 points.
Yeah, I hear you there. We need some 2-pointers, me and Steve.
I can't
No,
think
y'all
of
doing
any.
good.
I can't think of any. I think there may be what, one more or two more holes where you can get a hole in one.
Well, the one down the hill. Off the rock,
Yeah.
that's one.
That one in 16.
I got a hole in 18 once.
Yeah.
You get a hole in one on 18, and it should give you 3 points.
Yeah. We'll give you 3 points if you do that.
Oh, nice shot.
Got over there.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Oh,
That was on.
bounced out of the hole. Good shot.
Thank you.
Oh, I'd never seen that go in on a hole in one like that before.
What
Steve
a
almost
shot.
did the same thing.
Nice.
Almost.
I didn't get to see that. Let me see.
A little lighter, it probably would have went right in.
Oh, it's behind the rock. See if you can't do that too, Face. Get behind that rock.
Yeah,
I still
that'd be
got a
nice,
chance
wouldn't it,
to
Steve?
bounce it off the rock, but I think it's curved too much on this side. Oh,
Better go, ball.
Steve said, I'm not taking any chances.
Give me a line. Give me a line.
I'll give you a good line that time. Right?
No. No, not
Really?
really.
Looked like it was rolling pretty good. It's kind of tight.
No, there wasn't much I could do.
I'm gonna give you a line. Now you got a
Not
better
much
one than I do. Oh, hit the ball. Dang it.
Oh, they gave me a line.
Oh. I needed that.
Scared of hitting that rock.
If I make it in, though, Steve, I'll be tied with you.
No, because you went before I did.
Yeah, but you missed this shot, not, you know what I mean?
But see, I'll go next and put it in the hole.
And if I get down there, I have the same chance, right? Since you missed once?
No.
The
No.
point is mute.
No, because see, if you would have made it. in
Yeah,
there-
I get it. I get it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I was on my fourth stroke. You was on your third.
Yeah. Because it took you two shots to get in the first hole.
Steve could miss this shot.
I could. The way I've been
But
putting.
he won't do it.
All right.
Good point. Is that your first point?
No, I got 2 now.
Second.
Well,
Yeah, it's 2-4-1. If that ace thing wasn't going on right now, it'd be 2-3-1.
getting a
Oh, he got it. Look at that.
Oh, there it is.
Ooh, good shot.
Thank
That means we have to try it.
You don't have to. That's
not a bad
that's
spot to
not a-
be, though.
Yeah, if you miss it, that's not a bad place to be.
Nope. I am not playing my first game of the night too well.
Oh,
Good
good putt. Took the point away from me.
Oh, you almost got it.
Oh, wow.
I almost dunked that, didn't I?
Yeah.
I'm hitting it too hard. All right, that's enough. Oh, I forfeited the next hole too. I forfeited too early.
Oh, stop, ball.
Oh,
So it's you guys versus each other on this hole. I accidentally forfeited. I thought I was forfeiting the last hole, but it
Won't you leave and come back
That hole
and
was
see
there.
if that works?
well, I don't want to do that while we're live streaming.
Oh, that's right.
It's alright. Roll ball.
Get it? Did he get it? Oh,
No.
close. Oh,
That's a tough shot from there, Steve.
It just
because of
don't-
the
it
fact that you
doesn't.
have to-
No, it just seems like you don't have to hit it that hard, but you got to hit it harder than what you think.
Yeah, and you have to go towards the bottom right a little more, I think.
Dang it. Oh. Gosh, I don't know why. I
So if
did
you go
that.
too far to the left, you can't get hot. You can't get the ball high enough to hit it. That's what you did on your first shot, I think.
No, he got it. Dang it, I had a chance.
Good
I
shot,
cannot
guys.
believe I hit that one too soft.
thank
That
you.
was just stupid.
Well, with that accidentally forfeit, I pretty much put myself out of it. So it's still 2-4-1.
No, don't do it. Don't roll all the way down. Dang it.
Was that chair I saw for you face it?
Say what?
Was you? It looked like he was cheering for that because he went all the way over.
I was saying, go ahead, go, go, go. And I'm going to do the same thing. Should have kept my mouth shut.
Come on, ball. Come on, ball. There you go. Oh, and you're in a
Hey,
bad
Mark.
spot.
Well, that's what I get
Face
for running
it.
my mouth. I hear you.
Oh,
Oh, well, I think if anything, me and will push or Dave will win it.
Oh,
look at
shot.
that.
Wow.
Close. Yeah, your ball's in a bad
Yeah.
spot. You got that little groove there.
What that's
Whoa.
going to do. Maybe to go and hope. Who knows?
Maybe.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Good
Hope's
try.
gonna be a push. Or Dave might win it if he makes it.
Oh, he left the
Got
stuff
a
pretty
line.
good.
That's a good shot.
Thank you.
Good one.
That could be ball game. Only hope we got is a hole in one on 18.
Oh, get back.
Oh.
So do you know the hole in one shot on 18?
Yeah, I know where to hit it.
Where you
Probably
hit
won't.
it at?
Probably won't make it, but you never know.
You never know.
You never know.
Stranger things have happened.
Well, you know the thing about it is, if you don't ever try it, you won't ever make it.
That's right.
That's game. You won it, face it. I was the only one that could tie you. Oh,
Don't
do
go
it.
off of there. Oh my goodness.
Not game yet, Steve.
Yeah. Because if you get a hole in
No,
one,
you can
you'll
still
just-
make it in less.
No, but he's
I know,
up
but you
two.
can make it in less shots than him.
He's up two.
Oh, okay. So you need to make the hole in one to get the 2 points.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
I'm try it. I'm gonna do it till I stroke out.
I hate coming over here.
That's the worst side.
That's a good shot, though.
Okay.
I usually hit at least the right rock. Not this time, though.
Oh,
There you go. Oh.
That was almost it.
I'm gonna baby step my way around here.
Tell you what, you hadn't done too bad of a job getting around them rocks. There it is.
There's a good shot.
Thank you. Well, he took a whole bunch of shots.
Oh, look at
There it is,
that.
look at it.
Oh,
There it is, Steve.
man.
That's the hole-in-one.
Well,
On the easy course, you want to hit this hard, but on the hard course, you want to hit it easy like that, easier.
So you're hitting it right here, right?
let
Well,
me see. No, it's right over this.
So you're hitting right here.
Yeah, right over this one. God, that was close.
yeah, that's where we both
See
hit.
that again. Boom. Oh.
Almost went in.
Oh.
Don't forget now, you can trust them rocks.
Yeah. You got to say, I trust the rocks.
Yeah, that never works for me.
I think also I did a bunch this game was forfeit.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
Well,
So
Mark,
Face
good
It
job on
beat
your
us.
win.
He won. It was 2-4-1. He won by 2 shots.
Hey, Steve,
Appreciate
don't mention
every-
my score.
Appreciate everybody watching. Check out our other videos.
Yeah, thanks,
Give
everybody.
us a like, share, subscribe,
it's fun.
comment. Those of you watching on Facebook, check out the YouTube channel and subscribe. All right, see y'all in the next one. Later.